Hello, welcome to how to solve this radical equation. Cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to square root of 4 to the power 3x minus 1. Cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m over a to the power n. We can write this 4 to the power 3x minus 1 as square root of 4 to the power 3x over 4 to the power 1. Next, cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to, if we take square root of this 4 to the power 3x over 4, square root of 4 to the power 3x over square root of 4 is 2. Next we multiply both sides by 2. At right side multiply by 2, left side multiply by 2. This 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to square root of 4 to the power 3x. Next, 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m times n is equal to a to the power m to the whole power n. We can write this as square root of 4 to the power 3 to the whole power x. Next, 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to square root of cube of 4 is 64 to the power x. Next, 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to square root of this 64 can be written as 8 to the power 2 to the whole power this power x. Next, 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to, according to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power n to the whole power m. We can write this power x inside the brackets and this power 2 outside the brackets, like this: square root of 8 to the power x to the whole power 2. Next, 2 times cube root of 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to, this square will be cancelled with this square root, and here left 8 to the power x. Next we take a cube of both sides. At left side cube and at right side cube. Cube of 2 is 8 times this cube will be cancelled with this cube root, and here left 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 8 to the power x cubed. Next we suppose that 8 to the power x is equal to y. Let 8 to the power x is equal to y. Then this equation becomes 8 times y plus 4 is equal to y cubed. Next, 8 times y, 8y plus 8 times 4, 32 is equal to y cubed. Next we shift this 8y to the right side. Y cubed and this plus 8y becomes minus 8y at right side is equal to 32. Now we factorize both sides. From y cubed and minus 8y we can take y as common. Y times, when we divide this y cube by this y we get y square. This minus comes here, and when we divide this 8y by this y we get 8 is equal to, and this 32 can be factored as 1 times 32, 2 times 16, 4 times 8, 8 times 4, and so on. Now we can see here y times y square minus 8. So from these factor pairs, we select the pair where one factor is 8 less than the square of the other factor. In this factor pair, 4 times 8, you can see that this factor 8 is 8 less than the square of 4, because square of 4 is 16 and 8 is 8 less than 16. So we select this pair. We factorize this 32 as 4 times 8. Next, y times y square minus 8 is equal to 4 times, this 8 can be written as 16 minus 8. Next, y times y square minus 8 is equal to 4 times, this 16 can be written as 4 square minus 8. Now if we compare left side with right side, we can see that at left side y times y square minus 8, and at right side 4 times 4 square minus 8. So it is obvious that y is equal to 4. Now recall that we have supposed 8 to the power x is equal to y. We have supposed 8 to the power x is equal to y. Now in this equation we put this value of y 4. 8 to the power x is equal to value of y 4. Next, this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the whole power this power x is equal to 4. According to the rule of exponents, a to the power m to the whole power n is equal to a to the power m times n. This power 3 will be multiplied by this power x. 2 to the power 3x is equal to, this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Now base is same at both sides, so this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and here left 3x is equal to 2, and we divide both sides by 3. Left side divided by 3, right side divided by 3. This 3 will be cancelled with this 3, and here left x is equal to 2 over 3. So this is the value of x.